How to fix Snapchat keeps crashing. If Snapchat application keeps crashing on your device, there might be various reasons. First, check the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, your problem should be fixed. Otherwise, there might be some bugs in the app. Open the Play Store. Tap on the search icon. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for Snapchat. You can see the results over here. Find the application for Snapchat and tap on it. Tap on the option Update. Wait until the update is completed. After a while, the update will be completed. Now all the bugs of Snapchat should be fixed. Now the application should stop crashing. If not, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, open App Library of your device. Find the application for Snapchat and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Once you do that, the problem should be fixed. Sometimes the problem can be with the device itself. For that, restart your device. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart in order to restart your device. After the device is restarted, temporary software glitches will be fixed and Snapchat should stop crashing. Like this, you can fix Snapchat crashing. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.